Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan, and this is a little update vlog on the channel, a little bit about me, about what I plan to do with the channel, and just a little bit of personal thoughts of what's going on behind the scenes that I wanted to let you guys know about. First off, I want to talk about the progress that the channel has had recently. Coming up the 19th of this month, I will have been doing YouTube for 6 months now. In those 6 months, I have met a ton of amazing people, made great friends, and we have gained 359 subscribers. That's pretty crazy. That's insane. I've done a lot of messing around with the type of content I want to create, figuring out who I am and what I want to do. It's been a lot of trial and error, if I'm being completely honest. As you can see from some of my earliest videos compared to the ones now, it's obviously a lot more clear where I want to go with my content and how I want to go about doing it. The funny thing is, as I just recorded a video like this not too long ago, but since I just redid my setup in my room, you can't really see it right now because, this is the background, but all around my desk here are redone. I had to unplug my computer, so I had the wrong mic on, so it was just terrible quality, so I had to kind of record this, so it's bearable to listen to for you guys. Besides the amazing support, love, motivation that people have been sending me through the channel, I want to talk about some stuff that's been going on with me, just so you guys kind of aren't in the dark with what's going on. There's a few things that I want to say battling, but I'm working on. I'm improving so I can be a better content creator and be a better person for myself. I'm trying to work on both my mental health, making sure that I'm happy, I'm feeling good with life, and my physical health, so I'm taking care of myself because I plan on doing YouTube like consistently now. And with this going on, I want to make sure that I take care of myself so I can provide the best content I can, so I can have a good connection with my community, and I can, and be happy like I want to be on my content, right? I don't want to feel crappy about myself, so this is something I want to get out of the way. Not only that, but there has been a lot of heat waves recently, and I don't really have an AC in my computer room, so it gets very hot. And that on top of work as well. Like sometimes, like today, I'm working 12:30 to 9:30, so there's not a ton of time to record, especially because I stay up until like 1, 2 a.m. and I wake up around like 9 a.m. It's only got like a few hours, right? But I really want to get out content as much as I can, and if I miss content, if I'm late on content, just know that it's not because I've stopped posting, it's just because there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that I'm getting under control so I can set up a good plan for myself to make content consistently for the future and improve what I put out. Not only have I completely cleaned my room head to toe with, the help of my girlfriend, but I plan to do my room as well, redecorating all my stuff, and getting myself schedule set up just so I'm in a better space to make videos for you guys. I don't want to make you guys listen to too much of, me going on, because I don't like making it sound like a guilt trip or any of that. That's not what it's trying to be. I just thought I wanted to share that with you because I don't want you guys to be in the dark, and I want us to have a more personal connection. I don't want me to just be some random boring another YouTuber. I want to make the type of content where if you've had a bad day, you've been working hard, you just want to chill or relax, that you can put on some of my videos and feel like you're at home, like you have a friend, like you have a safe, relaxing, comfortable space. The reason why I want to make content like this is because growing up, there was a lot of YouTubers who provided the exact same content for me. And the idea that I could be said YouTuber to provide that content for others is good enough reason to do it myself. Obviously, my content's not going to be perfect. Obviously, it's not going to be the best. There's going to be flaws. There's going to be audio mess-ups. There's going to be weird editing. There's going to be maybe sometimes odd commentary. But that's just me. And I'm still learning. I haven't been doing this for that long. I don't have any experience with editing and any other stuff outside of YouTube. So everything that I've learned thus far has been trial and error. And tons of people have been following me through this kind of trial and error, despite the mess ups that I've made. But now, as of making this video, I know what I want to do. I know where I want to go with the channel, and I'm working my hardest to make sure I get there. And with everything I've done so far, I've been enjoying it so much. And the fact that we're only beginning is just crazy. Just It blows my mind, really. I'm not going to drag this video on for too long because I don't want to repeat myself too much or talk about the same stuff. But if you're gonna take anything away from all the random stuff that I've said thus far, just remember that I'm thankful that you're here. I'm happy that you've been supporting me. I'm so thankful to have such great people supporting my channel. And even besides all that, the fact that people enjoy the content, that's what makes me the happiest. Knowing that I can put out videos that people can actually like, relax to, sit back, and maybe it makes their day, that makes all the while worth it. All the sitting through the heat editing, all the messed up sleep schedules, everything. It makes it worth it. And so yeah, yeah. Thank you, everyone, for supporting me this far. This is only just the very beginning. This is one of probably many videos like this I'm gonna make. But I thought I'd do this to, give you an idea of what's going on. So, thanks for stopping by. And I'll see you guys in, well, whatever I do next. Peace, peace. And have a good weekend, too. See you later, guys.